Hey, what's
Hey. So as you can see, the F90 M5 just started. We're about to go for a ride in it. We'll talk about the car later on, but let's just go for the ride now.
Go first.
I got you.
Yeah. Go first.
Oh, you go.
Yeah. I get happy.
No.
Next week Sunday.
Oh, my mind. Oh.
Charlie, I did do video. We're at the F90 M5 now. Charlie, car sweet too. So what have you done to the car now?
A lot.
Wow.
But the thing is, I have to hide it.
Yeah, you don't want the ops to know what's going on.
A lot of people looking for me.
Yeah,
For
guys.
them to know.
We're keeping all of that under wraps. Bloody hell. The G-force from this thing be mad. The way they pull me back into the seat.
So is it slipping or what? The grrr.
No, that's like...
Just a,
Charlie, I made the car move.
I'm telling you, bro.
Like, I'm just sitting here, but like...
This one there for drinking and wine. I swear to God.
Oh my days.
5'2".
5'2".
Oh.
That's it.
What do you smoothie, yo? Nah, I'm in love, man. But RS6 all the way.
Nah, forget
I'll
RS6.
never be sold.
Forget RS6.
I will never be sold.
You can't go wrong with an M. See the way he just did pick the go.
You understand? When you see.
I don't know, say your leg under the sweet like that.
Rick is catching.
It is catching, bro.
It's stopping. My gracious Lord of heaven above. Nah, 2 6.
I see the guy has cut. Hey!
If the young she go up the pants.
Oh, simple cry. Simple cry.
He go reach then she says she don't know where the pants is.
Oh jeez.
Hey.
Hey. Bro, like it literally just kept
Bro,
pulling. you have built a flipping car. What the police do for that?
See, this was a mistake.
Right now you go tap your guy inside there.
Why can't we like bicycle?
I don't want to go home, bro.
I don't want to go home.
Bro, I don't want to go home.
My first time with an M5, you know.
It be like you get child lock.
Wake up, people out.
Power sweet. Power sweet. Your words are on the way, coming.
Hey. You have this R and then this R. Energy. Before you go beg. Nice one. Nice one. So this 335i, he's cooking. He's cooking and we love it. We love when people are cooking. He's going to do some pulls and then we're gonna see. Sheesh.